The following is a leak gas pipe repair using Dhiton mix AL01. The initial condition of PT Pertamina gas pipe has leaked. We're trusted to handle the repair of the leak pipe owned by PT Pertamina. First check is by flowing pipes with water. The condition of pipes that are hollow due to rust, and it's not possible to replace pipes in a short time. The solution is patching it up with PT Epoxyndo Arlestaris product Dhiton mix AL01 pipe leak repair. Preparation by the team before the patch up. On another points that also leak due to rust. The ingredients mixing process is done by the experts of PT Epoxyndo Arlestaris. The following pipes have been patched using Dhiton mix AL01 product. The patching phase was accompanied by PT Pertamina's experts. Dhiton mix AL01 was designed with several advantages. It's resistant to extreme weather at once, protects from rust and porousness, high adhesion, and fast dry time. Material hugging process on the pipe in order to stick together the ingredients stably. All is done carefully so that the hole in the pipe is tightly closed. The final result after all the process done, the holes close tightly without any leakage.